tell me a little bit about this though, because this is a very interesting contraption. This plastic, what's going on here?
It's a locally made Happy Rock Softie. It's called the Grub.
Okay.
So it's on a owner hook with a spinnerbait tag on it,
Yep.
which some people think that gives it a better chance of a hookup rate. The little flashing bit excites the barra. It's rigged up weedless, so you can run it over the top of a weed bed or drop it down the edge of a weed bed, and the barra love them.
Do they?
Yeah.
And they're locally made, so the fellas that are making this are making them for the barra that live in here.
Yep, that's right. Trevor Burgess, one of the locals, Happy Rock Softies.
And what sort of action is required with this?
I just usually cast it at the base of a tree or something like that, let it sink down a bit, and then give it a bit of a quick wind, and then let it drop down again, and start doing a slow retrieve on it. Just a nice steady, getting the tail flicking along, and yeah, they're pretty much dynamite.